guys, I did it. I got myself the Cricut or Cricut. What is it? I am inclined to say Cricut, and because it makes me think of the cricket, like the cute little buggy bug. But yeah, this is the Cricut Maker 4. This is the Essentials edition, I think. And then I got a shit ton of sticker paper and vellum, some extra Cricut accessories, and I also got this monster of a printer. This is an A3 printer. That's why it's so flipping huge. See, that is my little workout cart. You can see how big the box is. It's so huge. I knew it was gonna be big, but now that I'm seeing it, I'm like, oh my god, where am I gonna leave this stuff? Anyway, the reason why I got like an A3 size printer is because if I can print bigger sizes at home, I don't always have to use my manufacturer for stationery, which takes at least 5 days for them to make it and send it out. And now I can print on demand, which means I can serve you guys so much faster. So I hope this is worth the investment, because this together doesn't seem like much, but this was over €1,000. So this better starts making its money back ASAP. Hello, it is now Saturday and I already want to go back to bed, but I can't because I'm getting a grocery delivery. And also I need to rearrange my house a little bit because all of that new equipment, it don't fit. So what happened was, I will just show you. So this is the situation. I have these 2 drawer blocks. These are by IKEA. I've had them forever because I had them in my office since 2018. And when I ended the lease on my office, I took them home because I do really like them. But I stack them. As you can see, it has little wheels down there. And I took the wheels of the top one and I'm gonna have to put them back on because I want to take the top one off and put them next to each other so that I can place the Cricut or Cricut and my new printer on top. Because right now, my old printer is right there. See, I really like that situation. And then I'm gonna have to need what? Oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna have to move this dining table towards over there, and so I can put these drawer blocks over there next to my desk. There. So yeah, I've got some deconstructing to do and some building to do, so yeah. I already want a break. I'm so tired, you guys. I've been sleeping like shit. Wish me luck. I'm gonna do this.
Amazing.
All right, so this is the new situation. My dinner table is now awkwardly close towards this built-in closet, but you know what? You want to make some money, you gotta have your dinner table in weird places. And then now I have more space because I have these 2 drawer blocks next to each other. I can put the Cricut there. Cricut. Oh my god, I keep forgetting what it's called. Cricut. I'm just gonna say Cricut. Whatever. That one there, and maybe my printer there. And because these things are on wheels, I can pull them forward if I need to fit or feed bigger sheets of paper through the machines, and the paper won't hit the wall. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it is not my favorite setup. This really is the moment where I miss having an office, so I have my house as my house. But on the other hand, I love a challenge, and bootstrapping this stationery brand is really giving me so much life and energy. Also, aren't these incredibly cute? I got these at a store called Stationery, and I know that I just butchered that name, but they always have the cutest little home goods, and I just think it's so cute. It's not gonna stay here because my printer is gonna go there, but yeah, just thought I'd show you. They look really cute, and right now I have some stickers in here and thank you cards with a gift code. It's called Tiny Treasure 10, so you can grab that now. Surprise! And also, these are like beginner's mistakes because this is A5. I was thinking that I ordered A6, which is like half of it. It is not. It is A5, so it's really big. But on the other hand, you really can't miss the discount code that you get with this card, so yeah. And then I have some like wrapping stuff at the top, and I'm realizing that I need to organize things in a much more efficient, productive way. Also, I'm totally watching the OC in the background, and I just love the character Seth Cohen and Chris Maka. I just really love that show. I mean, yeah, I just love it. So this is how I archive my journals. I wrap them in craft paper, and then I make sure they're closed up really well. Not just because it looks very cute and dark academia and vintage and retro and all the things I love. It's also very practical because if you want to read this journal, you actually have to rip open the packaging, and then I would know someone has been in there. It would not be good to know that someone has read my journal, but I would know. So it's kind of like a security layer around my archive journal because I don't want anyone to read this
And so these archive stickers that I made make it very easy to archive your journal if you would want to wrap them, or you could also just stick the labels on your planner itself and you don't have to wrap them at all. But what I really like about these labels is that you can write down the subject, you can add the start date, the end date, and then you can choose to burn, bury, read, or bury. This one has a little spelling mistake, by the way. The real stickers don't. But you can choose to burn, bury, read, or give to, I don't know, your Aunt Jeanette after you're dead. And then on the spine, I also have these spine stickers. So some people, they keep their journals in a cupboard or a book case. And then you can just easily see by the spine which journal it is. And I love that. I love this old school library way of archiving your journals. So yeah, these are the actual correct sticker sheets. As you can see, they do have the right word spelling for berry. It was really cute because I posted a short on YouTube on how I archive my journals, and someone said, "Oh no, there's a little spelling mistake," and it was so nice that someone caught that because I really didn't see it. So it said bury or berry with double R instead of one R. So thank you so much for that person that caught that mistake. And that's why I love being on social media. People can be so helpful if they want to be. Otherwise, I would have printed all of these archive stickers with the wrong spelling. So yeah, now you guys are getting archive stickers with the right spelling, and that makes me really happy. Something I'm not really happy about is that I have like an actual good professional camera, but it's so old that it's worse than my iPhone. So I've been taking product pictures on my iPhone, which I do not agree with, because I don't know if you guys know this yet, but I used to run a marketing and PR agency, and I had a photographer in my team, and she would make all product pictures and social media pictures. And I loved having that quality. But my camera is so old, like I said, and my iPhone takes better pictures at this point, but it's still not as great as I want it to be. But that's what I've been up to. I've been staging all of these sticker sheets. I've got the new weather icon stickers. I've got bigger ones if you like the bigger sized icons. Why won't it? Like, my camera will not focus today. It's being a little annoying. Anyway, new stickers. I like these ones better, the small ones, because these would actually fit your planner or your Hobonichi, and you guys know I love a Hobonichi planner, so... I bought this really cute mini stamp. It says MNSSJC, which stands for My Not So Secret Journal Club. And this way I can stamp all the letters, and you'll know you'll have an authentic My Not So Secret Journal Club letter. And I just think it's so cute. So yeah, I do a different color stamp every month. I usually try to match it with the envelope. So right now it's kind of a soft blue greenish shade, and I just think it looks adorable. So now all I have to do is stamp all the letters and personalize them by writing down the recipient's name up here. I personalize all the letters because I may print them out, but I always write to you, like I have a person in mind that I write to. And I just envision all of my members as I write, because they're real people like me, and so I want them to feel like, hey, Gaia did her best to make this letter specifically for me, which I did. I write your name down, I make sure you know it's for you, and I don't know if you can actually feel it, but I do this with a lot of love and joy, so hopefully it shows when you receive your letter. I really hope it does. So adorable. So adorable. All right, so it's time to actually post all the snail mail letters. The stack is getting bigger, yo. I thought I was at 7 members. Turns out I have 9. Also, number 9 came in yesterday, which was the final deadline to sign up for the December edition. So number 9 out of the US is still going to get the December edition. And we're going to post all of these letters today. And we're almost at 10 members, guys. Oh my God, this is super exciting. I do have to like fix the logo though. I really do not like this. It just doesn't fit where the brand is going now. So we have to fix that. Also have to throw out all of this crap. Making stickers comes with a lot of waste, apparently. Listen, the Netherlands can look incredibly ugly. But on winter days like this one, where it's like crispy air and there's like a beautiful sun, the Netherlands is incredibly beautiful. And I feel blessed. So let's get these envelopes in the mailbox. I have to sneeze because I also feel a cold coming up. Oh my God.